你好, I'm Jingyu. Welcome to my channel. I will continue to update Chinese language learning courses and share Chinese culture. If you are interested, please follow me. Today, we are going to learn possessive nouns in Chinese, including your, my, his, and so on. In our previous lessons, we have already learned personal pronouns in Mandarin. Do you still remember? It will be easy for you if you mastered the personal pronouns. We just need to add the after the personal pronouns. For example, my or mine is 我的. 我 means I or me. 我的 here means my or mine. In Chinese, the possessive pronouns are same for nouns and adjectives. They all called 我的. Please repeat. 我的,我的,我的. Okay, next, your or yours is 你的,你的,你的. His, her, or its, it's 他的. As you can see, the words are different between his, her, or its, but the pronunciation is same. It's all called 他的. Please repeat. 他的,他的,他的. Okay, next, our or ours is 我们的,我们的. Your, yours for its plural is 你们的. Please repeat. 你们的,你们的. Okay, finally, their or theirs is 他们的. Please repeat. 他们的,他们的. Good. It is simple, isn't? Let's review. My or mine is 我的,我的. Your or yours is 你的,你的. His, her, or its is 他的,他的. Okay, our or ours is 我们的,我们的. Your or yours for its plural is 你们的,你们的. Their or theirs is 他们的,他们的. Very good. Let's practice. My book is 我的书,我的书,我的 here means my. 书 means book. So together it's 我的书,我的书 is my book. Or you can say your book. It's 你的书,你的书. Then, how do you say his book? Correct. It's 他的书,他的书. If I want to say this book is mine, I would say 这本书 是我的。这 is a pronoun, means this. 本 is a measure word. So, 这本书 here means this book. 是 means is. 我的 means my. Together, it means this book is mine. 这本书是我的。这本书是我的。Okay, how about this book is yours? It's 这本书是你的。这本书是你的。Okay, how about this book is his? It's 这本书是他的。这本书是他的。Okay, look at next one. Your mom is very beautiful. It's 你的妈妈很漂亮。Here, 你的 means your. 妈妈 is mom. 很 means very. 漂亮 means beautiful. Together, it means your mom is very beautiful. Okay, please repeat. 你的妈妈很漂亮。你的妈妈很漂亮。Or you can say, my mom is very beautiful. It's 我的妈妈很漂亮。Again, 我的妈妈很漂亮。Okay, this is their school. It's 这是他们的学校。Here, 学校 means school. So, 这是他们的学校。Again, 这是他们的学校。This is their school. Then, if I want to say, this is our school, I would say, 这是我们的学校。Again, 这是我们的学校。Then, how do you say, this is your school? Correct. 这是你们的学校。Again, 这是你们的学校。Okay, that's today's video. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Practice documents are available below the video. You can download if you need. If you are interested in my channel and want to learn some Chinese, please follow my channel. 再见。